Greetings, everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of Shrishti, the GST cut all you need to know about. Who am I? Well, I am your host, Shrishti Jhunjhunwala. India's economic system has gone through the biggest makeover, and it's not a small one. We're talking about the biggest GST reform in the 8 years of the GST formulation. What is it and what has happened to GST? Well, in layman terms, GST is something that you and I pay every day. It's not like the income tax that comes in the salary, but every biscuit packet that you buy, every haircut that you get is all GST built in it. What are the odds and what has come? What is the new reform? This why we are going to deep dive on this the Shrishti way. So, for some, it might seem a bit of a relief that the new GST reform has brought up, but for some, it might sting a little. So, hold on and let's figure out what are the new GST reforms.
डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया।
First, a quick refresher for all of you. GST was introduced in 2017. The idea was simple: replace India's tangled mess of state and central taxes with one clean, unified system. And it worked, kind of, but there was one problem: too many slabs. Earlier, GST had four rates: 5% for basic goods, 12% for many packaged items, 18% for most service and mid range products, and 28% for big ticket or luxury items. That actually meant confusion, loopholes, and disputes. Businesses had to constantly argue over which lab applied where. Now, after the reform, the system is down to just two slabs: 5% for essential and affordable daily use items, and 18% for the rest. The messy middle 12% and 28% is gone, and with it, hundreds of disputes. So, what does this mean for you? What gets cheaper? What is more affordable? Here's where it gets exciting for households. Daily essentials like milk, cottage cheese, and breads, 0% GST. Packaged foods, snacks, noodles, chocolates drop from 12 to 18% to just 5%. Same with butter and cheese. The personal care products such as shampoo, toothpaste, soap now flat 5% GST only. The big household buys like small cars, motorcycles, washing machines, televisions, ACs slide from 28% to 18% only. Healthcare is a big winner in this reform. Life and health insurance are now tax free. 33 life saving medicines are also tax free. Medical devices dropped from 18% to just 5%. Even services like getting a haircut, going to salon, gyms are now just 5%. In short, your grocery basket, your monthly toiletries, your doctor visit, and even your Diwali shopping list all lighter on the wallet now. Now let's look at to what gets costlier, but not everything is cheaper. Luxury and harmful products, what economists call sin goods, now cost more. Luxury cars, high-end bikes, premium watches all go up to 40% in GST. Sugary fizzy drinks loaded with caffeine also 40%. Tobacco products also 40%. So while the middle class gets relief, luxury lovers and heavy smokers will pay more. So what's the bigger picture? Let's find out.
Well, now you know all about the new GST cut, but the question lies, why is the government doing it right now? What is the need of the hour? Well, there could be a lot of reasons. I'm going to state out few reasons for you. The new festive season is coming up, which we all know, and the new GST rates kicks in on the 22nd of September. This is right before Diwali, and we all know India spends the most during Diwali, whether it's on appliances, on everyday day-to-day goods. So automatically, when goods become cheaper, India is going to spend more, and this is what the government is aiming for. It's going to be an economic reform where India is going to spend more and the GDP will boost up because of this reason. Also, the global turbulence, which we know and has been quoted by a finance minister, that this has nothing to do with the US tariffs that has just brought up, but still the timing doesn't hurt. And for some, it might take a big hurt. and it might sting a lot more than it could be. But for the middle class people and for the working class, this is going to be a big and massive relief in the new economic system. And the people can spend more and our economy will prosper more. This is the Shushti take. Will it work? Will it not work? We will find out. But for the time being, the new festival season has gotten more and more sweeter. So here's wishing all of you a very, very happy festivals season, whether it's Navratri, whether it's Diwali, all these upcoming festivals. I hope you prepare yourself in the most sweetest way because everything is just getting better and better. So stay tuned for Shrishti and until the next video.